Hey everybody, it's Ruan here from Tunnelvizion TV, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create dynamic expressions in After Effects. Alright, so let's start off with a new composition. I'm just going to make it 10 seconds long, and let's create some text. I'm just going to call this shake. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the position of the shake and alt click on the stopwatch to create an expression. I'm going to type wiggle. Let's make it 10,50, which means it's going to wiggle 10 times per second, and it's going to expand 50 pixels in all directions. Alright, so if I play this, all good and well, we've got a very basic shake effect. But what if you want to fade this effect in and then fade it out again? Then it can get quite complicated, so I found a very easy way to do this. So first of all, let's create a new null object, and let's call this slider. Alright, and then you go to your effects and presets, type in slider, and drag the slider control onto your slider null object. Alright, so now if we expand this and expand effects, you'll see your slider control, and if you expand that, you'll get the slider value. And then what I want to do on the shake or on the text effect, go to the position that you animated, and then on your expression highlight the 50, the amount of pixels, and then on that same line take the pick whip expression and drag that onto the slider control of your null object, and then it will actually add this expression in here. Alright, so now if we play this back, nothing will happen, but let's up this slider value to around 50, and you'll see it's going to start shaking again. So now what you can do is you can animate the slider amount on the null object. So let's go to the first frame and enable the stopwatch here. I'm going to create a keyframe at 0. Let's go to around 2 seconds, and let's up this value to 100, and then let's animate this down to 0 again. Let's play this back, and now you can see it's actually fading in the shake effect, and it will fade out again. So I'm sure you guys will find lots of ways you can actually use this to animate a certain expression using a slider control, and then you can actually animate that slider control, which gives you a little bit more control when using expressions. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this very basic After Effects tutorial. Cheers.